Hey guys, Hair by Jess here, and I'm bringing to you guys a little look into what's underneath my lace. That was Salon Selectives Marula Magic's shampoo and conditioner. That's what I currently use. So that's what I am currently lathering on my hair right now. So I'm just laying the shampoo on my hair before I step in to the shower and wash it out, rinse it out. And I actually had to do 2 rinses because I put so much shampoo in my hair. Go figure. Yeah. So I'll be walking you guys throughout the process here, but until then, until those moments come, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the music. So you guys will see in a little bit, this is all blow dried, and I'm just sectioning it down the middle first, and I'll show little glimpses. Down the middle first, and then I part it across my crown for the back to be a separate part. So you guys will see that in a little bit. And I'm using those ouchless elastics for my hair. No more metals in those elastics. Scrunchies, whatever you want to call them. Alright, so I'm using a wide tooth comb, that blue one there, to kind of get my part more defined. So after I've washed all that product out of my hair, I had quite a bit, by the way, and it got to be in the black tube is no joke to natural hair. It slicks it down, but you catch it washing it out of your hair. So that's why I didn't use much. You guys saw me in that last video. If you haven't seen it, by the way, go ahead and watch it. It's called I Let the Curls Out. Back on topic. That's why I use more gel than I used. Got to be. You guys just saw up there where I paused it, and I paused it on purpose. Murray's Edge Wax. Picked this up after seeing a gentleman hairstylist use it for a hygiene ponytails, I believe. And I'm like, okay, if that hair wax, I think that was the only product he was using, can lay it down like that, then baby, I'm about to get myself a jar of it. So I have the regular Murray's Edge Wax, but I like this stream better. Alright, so on to this. Okay, we got to keep up with this video. Alright, so I am detangling before I start braiding. And I always like to start at the back of my head with any style I do, depending on what it is. So what you see me guys doing, this is my right and you guys left. I'm braiding from one side to the other. That's what you guys see me doing. Now I know when I record at this angle, you guys can't see it too well, so I decided to show a little bit of this, and then a little bit later in this video you guys will see a little bit better view and a little bit better lighting as well of what I do. So I started this a good couple months ago, braiding the back of my head like this so that way it can lie flat underneath my lace wigs that I wear. Because I used to do the straight back, or either I would part it across the crown and braid the back part just straight down, you know, vertically from top to bottom, and do the front section, but it will wind up bulky in the back. And then I started to look at some YouTube videos. I'm like, how can I get this to lay flat, especially in the back part? Because y'all ladies know what I'm talking about. When they start hump action, Humpty Dumpty. If Humpty Dumpty is high, if it looks like Humpty Dumpty is hiding underneath your lace wig, we got to change the foundation. So that's what I was talking about. Now that's not the most perfect parting, but it is nice and taut. Those braids are not tight, but they're gonna last me a good while. This braid down. And so you guys see me working on the front part of this. That Murray's Edge wax, when I tell you it lays it down, I'm gonna show you guys a close-up towards the end of the video. It lays it down. It lays some edges down. Yes. So I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and see me at work here in the front portion. And also I want you guys to see here where I'm applying the Murray's Edge wax, the extreme jar, the black jar. You see how I laid down that wax? I want every aspect of that to lay down, because this is a braid down I'm wanting to last, unless I plan to take it down sooner than a week to do something else to it. So this is my foundation where I want it to lay flat. And then of course you guys are seeing the ends sticking out, and I'm going to show you guys how to remedy that as well. It's not the most perfect braiding pattern, but it lays flat, and I have no Humpty Dumpty action at the back of any of my lace wigs, which is awesome. And I also want you guys to see how I'm detangling the hair before I start on my next row. So I part the hair, of course. And then the safest way to detangle your hair to retain your length is from tip to work your way up. That's the best way. Here I'm laying the Murray's Edge wax again as well. So this is when I'm like, okay, I want to lay it and slay some lace wigs for a little bit. My foundation, your foundation has to be flat. If you want to be neat, that's cool. Can't nobody gonna hardly see it. Not underneath all those luscious locks of curls, waves, ocean waves. But it does have to lay flat, so your braid foundation does matter. Now, of course, if I'm braiding someone else's hair, I'm gonna be a lot more neat because I'll be able to see everything. But this is what I like to do for me that works for me. And that is key. Bars. Alright, so what you guys are seeing, you're gonna see a little bit of it, but I wasn't about to put all the footage in there because it was taking so long. So I'm undoing the braid because in that particular row, that's the very last one, there's a stray hair sticking out. So after redoing that one, I am crocheting the ends that are sticking out on the braids you see, and crochet them underneath the others, the ends, and trying to tuck them in. Now, while you see some still sticking out, the goal here is to have it lay flat. I'm going to give you guys a little slow-mo to show you how it lays underneath my wig. And that is that frontal wig from my earlier video. And this is a nice slow-mo of those edges laid. And until next time,